Hello everyone, I'm Peter. In this video, I'm going to show how to restart the watch when we forget the password. This watch is H14 Plus and this watch is Hello Watch 3 Plus. As we know, both watches can set the password. But when we forget the password, we cannot go inside the watch. So how we can restart the watch? Now let me show you. We can long press this round button, long press, and till the screen turn off. And then the watch is restarted. Then we can go inside the watch. And we can go inside the system and we can set the password again. It is the same for the H14 Plus smartwatch. And now we have already set the password, but we forget the password. And we can long press the round button. The watch is reset. Okay, above is all our details. If you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.